What's up everyone, my name is Aditya and welcome to HD Tech. Well guys, many people are asking me this question that should we go for the iPhone 11 or should we buy the iPhone 12, because on 13th of October Apple will launch the iPhone 12 and obviously Apple doesn't spend that much money behind marketing, but they kind of make you believe that you need to have the latest creation. Well guys, it is called as planned obsolescence, but basically after watching the entire keynote you will be having a confirmed idea that you definitely need the iPhone 12, but in reality it is actually a marketing technique. But guys, overall of course the iPhone 12 will be better than the iPhone 11, but the bigger question is that the iPhone 11 will be available below 50,000 rupees, because in this Diwali sale you are talking about great price drop and the iPhone 12 6.1 inches will start around 75,000 rupees. So basically if you want to buy an iPhone below 50,000 rupees, then the iPhone 11 is a clear winner. Well guys, the reality is that on 13th of October, Apple will 100% make you believe that you need to buy the iPhone 12. But guys, the Diwali sale is very unique because throughout the year, you don't get to see like this offers, because the iPhone 11 was starting at 65,000 rupees and now you will get it around below 50,000 rupees or below 45,000 rupees. So basically, please don't get confused. The entire reason of making this video is that after the launch event you will definitely feel that you should buy the iPhone 12, but ask this question for yourself, that what is your priority? Well guys, Apple's own LCD display is not that much of a problem. Well guys, but of course the OLED display is a better display, but if it doesn't matter to you, then you can still buy the iPhone 11. Well guys, with the help of today's video I want to make you aware, because Apple will of course convince you that the new iPhones are the best iPhones to go for, but if the iPhone 11 suits in your budget, or the iPhone 10R which is going to be available below 40,000 rupees or even below 35,000 rupees is going to be a good deal. Well guys, if you are a first time iOS user, then the iPhone 10R or iPhone 11 is probably the best alternative.